Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Vijaya Sherbet. I'm an obstetrician and gynecologist at the Columbia Asia Hospital at Hebbal. And in the midst of the COVID pandemic, I'm hoping to bring you a message of reassurance. In compliance with government regulations, Columbia Asia Hospital has been treating patients who are COVID positive, who are infected with the coronavirus. Amongst other things, I'll recount a few salient features of this isolation wing. There is access through only one door. And for COVID positive patients who need to come to the isolation ward, there is a separate portal for entry and exit. There is a negative pressure arrangement in the entire isolation ward corridor, which ensures that every time the doors open, there is no leak of air from the isolation ward into the rest of the hospital. This ensures that there is no leak of viral or other infective particles from the isolation ward to the rest of the hospital. This is a facility that is usually available in the operation theatre. It has been extended to the entire isolation ward. Other than that, there is a segregation of personnel. The nurses and other staff who treat patients in isolation ward also enter and exit by a separate pathway, and there is no mixing of them with the staff that functions in the rest of the hospital. So, these are some of the measures that have been taken for inpatients. As far as outpatients are concerned, the fever and cough cold clinics are just outside the hospital facility. So, it means that those who do not have corona infection and who want to access, say, services in obstetrics and gynecology where I function, are at no risk of infection from patients who are admitted for corona positive, for corona infection. So, you enter through the main lobby, and if you come in now, you will find that there is very strict screening at the portal of entry. There is physical distancing ensured in the waiting area. The crowds are far less than they used to be, and whether you come in and seek outpatient treatment or seek to have an ultrasound done or give a blood sample, the hospital ensures that you are not in close contact with other patients. And also, when you come in for care as an inpatient, whether you come into a room or whether you come into the labor room, there is absolutely no contact between corona negative patients and corona positive patients. And the excellent infection control program that we used to have earlier has been refined and improved upon, and part of what this has ensured is the statistic that not a single staff member who has been working in the isolation ward, whether it is a doctor or a nurse or other staff, has tested positive for coronavirus. So, in addition to ensuring excellent infection control, we are also trying to ensure that your need for comfort and companionship is met. We are still allowing one person from your family to be with you when you're in labor. So, either your spouse or a close family member can be with you when you're in labor and also be with you in your room after delivery. Similarly, after surgery, if it is for a non-pregnancy related gynec problem. So, all in all, the excellent care that Columbia Asia is renowned for is available to you without fear of being infected by COVID positive patients who are being treated in a wing of this hospital. Thank you.